Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm bringing you a bike check of my newly custom bike. Most of these parts I got for Christmas. So yeah, start from front to back. I got Odyssey Hazard Light Rim, mint green with white shadow spokes laced to a Primo N4FL with a CS2 Odyssey race fork, animal peg. I got Odyssey headset. I got pink bolts. I think they're 43 hardware. I got the premium 9 stem. I got Primo Tallboy bars. I got pink ODI long necks. I got black shadow bar ends, metal. I got a new frame because my old one snapped. So Danscom sent me the United Beacon, Corey Martinez signature. I got stock cranks for my old bike. I got pink twisted PC pedals. They're dirty because I've been riding in snow a lot. I got the stolen bottom bracket. I got the animal seat, integrated seat post. I got the King Sound 25 tooth sprocket in black. I got white halfling shadow 2 chain. In the back I have Odyssey Hazard Light in mint green again. Black nipples front and back and white spokes, same spokes shadow, laced to a Primo mix cassette. And I have the Night hub guard, which is also dirty, and I got the same peg, the animal OG peg right here. So pretty much that's my bike for now as it stands. Probably gonna get new cranks, don't know when. Oh yeah, and the frame is 20.8. I like it. And this is being recorded with my new camera, which I will be using for my edits and other good stuff like that. So rate, comment, and subscribe please, alright? Thank you.